You just drinking only, want to drink that time, but then you make your ear rumble and then feel some sick discomfort. You want to eat only the tickly zap feeling that get more intense a bit.